live with BBC News. Now, Prince Harry has withdrawn his High Court libel claim against the publisher of the Mail on Sunday, Associated Newspapers. The Duke of Sussex had sued over an article about his publicly funded security arrangements when visiting the UK after stepping back as a senior royal. Well, let's talk to our culture correspondent, Noor Nanji, who is across this story. She's there in the newsroom. And just tell us a little more.
Well, you'd be forgiven for losing track because there have been quite a few legal battles involving Prince Harry, haven't there? So this latest one was, in a way, a bit of a side issue compared to some of the other ones that are going through. So Prince Harry was suing Associated Newspapers, the publishers of the Mail on Sunday, over an article that was published in February 2022 detailing his security arrangements when in the UK. Now, Harry felt that he had been libelled in that article. Associated Newspapers argued that it represented an honest opinion and was not defamatory. Now, in March of last year, Prince Harry's lawyers attempted to throw out an element of the publisher's defence, but towards the end of last year, the judge ruled that the defence had a real prospect for success and should go forward to trial. Today, we've learnt that Prince Harry has withdrawn his case against Associated Newspapers. Now, in an article published on the Daily Mail today, it said that he dropped his case just hours before a court deadline. Now, we have asked Prince Harry for comment. Now, we understand that his focus remains on the safety of his family and not on these legal proceedings. What we don't know yet is about the cost. Now, these can be quite fiddly when it comes to libel disputes. Now, the Mail is claiming that he faces paying the newspaper's costs as well as his own lawyer's fees, totalling as much as £750,000. No one is speculating on Harry's side. We understand that the costs are yet to be determined.
Now, you touched upon it right at the start. This is separate to those other legal cases he's bringing, isn't it?
That's right. So this is totally separate to anything to do with unlawful information gathering or hacking or anything like that. Those are separate claims. Some of those continue to rumble on. This was a court case very specifically about that article that we mentioned about Prince Harry's security arrangement, and that claim has now been withdrawn.
Noor Nanji, thanks for the latest on that.